Hello guys, I received this knife today through DHL. There is all the plastic, all the protection when you order this knife, but I don't care about the box. That is very nice, but it's not for me so important. But this is very a nice gadget. You have a small towel to clean your knife, and also you have a guard protection, something like that, I don't know how to say, is blade protection. So when you use your knife, you wash it, you dry it, and after, before that you put in some place, in your desk, with other tools, you can put inside this protection. So you don't spoil the sharpness of your knife. Who follow the channel know that I am not so expert about knife, because when I get the knife or I buy the knife is because I like them from the design, and after I like that should be not so heavy. This one is also balanced, and the important that is very sharp. This is sharp. Now if you come close, I show you the material of this knife. After we will cut vegetables, fruit, meat, the ham, homemade ham. I will not cut papers or other things like this, because nobody buy a knife to cut the paper. And most important things, the company give us a special discount, 15% if you use my link and also my code to receive the discount. On Amazon you have the 15%, also the 15% on their website, but on their website you can buy not only this knife but also other knives using always this coupon. So come close that I explain you the material. Like you can see from the shape, is a chef knife, blade GYUTO. Also the material of the knife is blade steel, Japanese 440C, plus there is 17% of chromium inside, so this prevents the rust to attack our knife. The blade is 20 centimeters or 8 inch, and in total the knife is 33 centimeters or 13 inches. Plus the metal go inside. You can see in this way the knife is balanced inside the handle, and the handle is made with black paca wood. Okay, now the most important things for many is the price. More or less is $100 if you use the discount, the coupon discount that they give us for the follower of the channel. You can buy the knife on their website or on Amazon, up to you. If where do you live, you have Amazon, no problem. But if you live in a country where you cannot use Amazon, you can buy the knife directly on their website, because they ship the knife all over the world. The coupon discount is CIOCCOLA, but don't worry, I write everything in the comment of the video. The important that you click on the link that I put, and after you put the word CIOCCOLA when you go ahead in the process to buy the knife. Also, if you go on their website, KOTAI, they have more knives, also more expensive, up to you. If you want to buy the expensive one with the 15% of discount, will be a very nice and good discount. But now let's try our knife to see if it's value the price. This prosciutto is spectacular. By the way, I think that the knife is good because not only cut the vegetable things, the fruit, like the pumpkin, is hard, but for me the most important thing is that we can cut the skin of the pork and the skin of the chicken, because usually it's very difficult to cut it. Okay guys, if you try this knife, if you buy it, remember that you have the discount of 15%, and please leave down your comment if you have some advice about knives and about this knife. Bye bye! No, sorry. Oh. No!